Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to cut through a 4x4 without a miter saw. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to cut all the way through a 4x4 without a miter saw, but for both ways you're going to measure and mark it the same. First, use your tape measure to mark your correct length, then use the speed square to make a straight line on that mark. Then rotate the board and do that same thing on all 4 sides. Make sure all the lines line up with each other. This will help you make sure you get a straight cut all the way through the board. So the first method I'm going to show you is with a circular saw. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your saw is set to the maximum depth. Then line your blade up to your mark. Then put the shoe of the saw up against a speed square to help you keep your cut straight. Keep it against the square as you make your first cut. Then rotate the board 1 turn towards you. Then use the kerf you just made to help line up your blade for your second cut. Put the blade into that kerf to make sure it's lined up straight, but don't pull the trigger yet or it might catch. Then back it out and go ahead and pull the trigger and make your second cut. Rotate the board towards you 1 more time. Then line up your blade the same way and go ahead and make a third cut, which will go through the rest of the wood. So again, that's 1, 2, 3. For the second method, you need a circular saw and a hand saw. For this method, you're just going to line up your blade the same way we did before and go ahead and make your first cut. Then instead of rotating your board like you did before, just keep it how it is. And then put your hand saw into the kerf you just made to help keep it straight and go ahead and cut through the rest of the board with your hand saw. And this will go even easier for you if you have a table that's sturdier than mine. So I'll show that to you again, and this is probably my preferred method because number 1, you don't have to turn the board twice, and number 2, it just makes a smoother cut. It goes pretty quick, but it does take some muscle. So if you don't have a ton of cuts, I think it's the way to go. And that's 2 ways to cut through a 4x4. If this video helped you out, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.